Hello, everybody. My name is Tatsuji Narita. I'm a Japanese government official, Councillor of Cabinet Secretariat. It is a great honor to be here to present the Trusted Web, which is a vision to build a new trust framework for the Internet and the web. Today, I would like to talk about the background of this discussion, the current pain points we are trying to address, the key contents of the vision, and the roadmap to realize this vision. So let me start with the background. As all of us may agree, our society is moving toward the digital society. However, we are facing a lot of issues and concerns. For example, it is said that we are having concerns of too much dependence on a handful of giant companies or surveillance society. We believe that we need to pursue a third way. One of the fundamental reasons of these concerns is that the internet and the web mainly defines communication protocols, but it is difficult to verify how data is treated from outside. In order to address these issues, please look at the fourth point. Japanese government gathered the experts from the academia and industries and established the Trusted Web Promotion Council 1 year ago. Based on the intense discussion in the council, this white paper was published in March this year. So what are the pain points we are facing? Please take a look at the white boxes in the middle of this slide. Fake news, danger of the false data to control devices, privacy issues. And on the other hand, in the industrial sectors, data is siloed and not fully utilized. Winner take it all situation and lack of governance in the digital field. So what causes these pain points? We think that there are three issues here. First, can we trust data itself? Second, can we trust the counterpart with whom we exchange the data? And third, can we trust how the data is treated by the counterpart? The key here is trust. Then we came up with the vision, Trusted Web. So what is the goal of Trusted Web and how the vision looks like? Please take a look at the top of this slide. Here is the goal. The goal of the Trusted Web is to build the new trust framework for the internet and the web and realize the digital society where various parties can create the new value by utilizing the data and the digital technology. So how this new trust framework looks like? Without relying on a specific service, we try to make it possible for the people to control the data disclosed to the other party. Second, to incorporate the consensus building mechanism in data exchange. And thirdly, please take a look at the three circles which look like three fried eggs in the lower parts of this slide. You can see, circle with blue and yellow. We think that the current internet is something like the circle of the left-hand side. The area of the yellow where data can be verified is very small. Most part of this circle is blue, which means that we cannot verify the data itself or the counterparts. So our vision of the trusted web is a circle of the right-hand side. You can see here in the circle, we have larger yellow areas in which data can be verified. Then, although there are still blue areas left, but since the area where we cannot verify becomes smaller, then we can increase the level of the trust. So third point of the new trust framework. as I said, we are trying to expand the areas that can be verified. Then we can increase the level of the trust. So in order to realize this vision, we think that we should take the overlay approach, where we maintain the benefits of the current internet and the web, and add on the new trust framework on the top. This is approach. So since the white paper is just the starting point of this vision, we need to discuss more in detail of the concrete functions of the trusted web. But in this white paper, we have discussed that we need 4 functions for the trusted web. Please take a look at the top of this slide, the red letters. First, identifier management function. Users can issue identifiers by themselves and link them to their own attributes. Currently, big platform operators issue the identifier to me, and they link my data by utilizing their identifier. As a result, they know me more than I do, and I do not know how my data is treated. We need to change this situation. For example, DID, decentralized identity, could be one of the solutions. Second, trustable communication function. Users can manage their own attributes endorsed or reviewed by the third parties. Then the data can be disclosed to the other party, and the other party can trust that data without inquiring the issuers each time. Verifiable credentials could be one of the solutions. And third, dynamic consent function. Sender and receiver of the data can agree how the data is saved, accessed, and treated. It could be done in the machine-readable way. And fourth, trace function. Users can monitor the fulfillment of the agreement. And finally, the roadmap to realize this vision. Again, this white paper is just the starting point. We are trying to realize the trusted web in the internet and the web in 2030. You can see in the middle of this slide, some arrows are here, and then the right-hand side, 2030. That is the goal. And in order to realize this vision, we need to collaborate globally. The engineers and the industries need to be the central drivers for this vision. In order to facilitate the discussion and activities among the engineers and the industries, currently the council members are now doing the 3 activities. First, so you can see in the orange arrow, 2021 to 2022. First, the experts of the council are developing the prototype to show how it works. Second, they are also discussing the use cases to figure out the details of each function of the trusted web. Third, they are also communicating with the industries and the global communities to share our views and to collaborate to realize this vision. We are thinking that there are several areas in which the functions of trusted web could create the new value for the business activities. For example, first, the areas in which the sensitive data need to be handled and the needs for the people to control their own data. The needs is quite high for the sensitive data to control. Healthcare sectors could be an area. Second, the areas in which the parties which do not know each other need to share their data. For example, sharing the CO2 emission data in the supply chain could be an area. Third, the areas in which the cost to verify the data is quite high. Financial sector and the government sector could be the candidates. Regarding the global collaboration, as you may know, Currently, the EU Commission has proposed the legislation to introduce the digital ID wallet, which has a similar idea with the trusted web. We are exchanging the views with them, and we are trying to collaborate with them. Anyway, we need to expand the friends in the global communities to share our vision, and to collaborate to realize it. Our vision is to rebuild the trust in the digital society for our future. Again, global collaboration is a key for it. Please feel free to contact us. We look forward to collaborating with you. Thank you very much for your attention.